shook, head down, afraid to look. Pride of a man lost when his soul took. Stand in front of you, fam, let the beef cook. Metal or the hands or whatever face hook. Shoelace you receive, razor sharp too. I see you a nigga, bet he turn cold blue. Claiming that they heart froze, I'm ice age dude. Bet your feet square dance if I say move. Bounce off the block like your J's got springs. Trip and get you touched, now your shirt blood stained. Fucked up, truly thugging you, don't remain. Step in my building, know the mean and the pain. Dog, I come through your hood and be inhumane. 40 on my waist, all you cats get sprayed. You don't want static, put a hollow in your attic. Mac still in the stash, got bad habits. If she be a parent, then the outcome tragic. I lost mathematics, but she be a savage. Coaching wisdom be the bullets, clips not average. Set a nigga straight, pay the law that she practice. Make a nigga disappear, wanna see magic. Hit him in his hemispheres, fully automatic. Please run up on me if you think I'm just bragging. Put the biz down, aim nice on the wagon. Never falling off, go nail at the cross. Without Viagra strong, you been soft. Don't forget to me that it means blood sport. Side street nigga can't survive in New York. Strong Island where we at, Greenfield guard. Get the flowers ready, send his ass to the Lord. Hail Mary, the virgin ain't listening no more. Fuck you to the grave, I'm finished with the bars. Strong Island where we at, Greenfield guard. Get the flowers ready, send his ass to the Lord. Hail Mary, the virgin ain't listening no more. Fuck you to the grave, I'm finished with the bars.